Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's continue with the fourth chapter. Students, I have already completed Jallianwala Bagh, tragedy, Rowlatt Act, Molem into reforms, revolutionary movements in the foreign countries. Okay, so students, now I'm going to teach you the Khilafat movement. Okay, so student, just pay attention. This moment will ask in the exam for 2 marks. So entire paragraph you have to write it down. During the First World War, Turkey joined German side. So when England won during the First World War, students, I had already told you the First World War fought between 1914 to 1918. The Sultan of Turkey at that time was the Khalifa, head of the Muslim. The movement in India to oppose the strict terms imposed on Turkey and the Sultan came to be known as Khilafat movement, because India was considered as the Sultan of Turkey, the Khalifa. Khalifa means the head of the Muslim. Ali brothers Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali were the chief leaders of this movement. Gandhiji requested the Congress to support the movement. So after this, the Hindu-Muslim unity, keeping in the mind Hindu-Muslim unity, the movement becomes severe with the Congress support. Non-cooperation movement. The Nagpur Conference gave the approval. Non-cooperation movement means not to cooperate the Britishers. Now the Congress made the strong demand for the independence of India, that considered as Swaraj instead of self-government under the rule of the British Empire. Now what kind of constructive activity that were going on during the time of 1920-22? In the positive aspect of movement was Hindu-Muslim unity to be strengthened. Their main objective was to maintain the Hindu-Muslim unity. Okay, insistence on using Swadeshi articles. The goods which were produced in India, that goods were only used. Revival of spinning wheels in every house. Collection of 1 rupee for Tilak Swarajya Fund. Abolition means removal of untouchability. Only national education. Boycotting of English education and prohibition of liquor. Now negative aspect. The negative aspect consists of giving up the government jobs. The Indian person, those who got the government job in British East India Company, they give up. Means leave the job. Government school colleges. Boycotting legislature. Resign for government courts. Local self-government. Boycott foreign clothes, other articles, government function and title that given by the British government, that should be boycotting. Now programs for non-cooperation movement. In the beginning of the movement, Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore surrendered their titles, the title that given by the Britishers. Kesari Hind title given to Mahatma Gandhi and knighthood honor title given to the Rabindranath Tagore surrendered their title to Britishers. Other leaders of the nation also gave their titles and positions. Students left English school and colleges. At various places, foreign clothes set on fire. When Duke of Connaught came to India, he was boycotted. The ceremony of honoring Prince of Wales was boycotted. Such incidents created considerable national movement. On the other hand, national schools and colleges established like Kashi, Bihar, Jamia Millia, Gujarat Vidyapith, these all the colleges established during the time of the British rule. Due to the vigorous propaganda of the Swadeshi goods, people had started creating awareness, the use of the Swadeshi goods and boycotting the foreign goods. The imports from the England of the clothes, footwear, luxurious items from England reduced drastically. This reaction that's rattled the British Parliament, shook the British Parliament. The government was shocked by this kind of huge economic loss to England, because they came to India only for main aim, that the business and the profit and the trade purpose. They purchase the raw material from India and they sell the finished product in the England, and that they suffer economic loss. More than 1 crore rupees was collected in the Tilak Fund. On many occasions, Hindu Muslim emerged predominantly. The Mopla revolt between Hindu landlord and Muslim peasants deserves the criticism, and that was suppressed by the British Army. The government adopted the policy of suppression, uncontrolled lathi charge, firing, collective arrest, and inhuman torture was met out. So British government also started many activities to stop this movement. Lathi charge, firing, arrest, everything. Unsuccessful attempt to break the Hindu-Muslim unity were made. But this movement was snatched away by Gandhiji due to some incident occurred in the Chauri Chora village. So I'm going to explain you, just pay attention. People took out the rally in the Chauri Chora village in the Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. The police started firing on the people. When they ran short of bullets, people attacked the police station. People started attacking the police station and set on fire the police station, in which 21 policemen died. And Gandhiji received this horrible news. On receiving this horrible news, Gandhiji said that I have committed a Himalayan blunder by giving the tools of satyagraha in hands of the people who do not understand the value of non-cooperation. We have to achieve the freedom and independence with the tool of satyagraha and non-violence. So Gandhiji disappointed and Gandhiji suspended this movement. But yet this movement was very important. This movement did not achieve its desired aims, but its negative constructive aspects managed to generate in people. People now started awareing their rights. Negative atmosphere against the government was created. There was a strong feeling of opposition against the injustice. There was a political awareness among all the classes of India. The faith in independence now becomes stronger. The fear of lathi, punishment, imprisonment, that was removed. The youth, women too came forward to serve their nation. Congress became an organization of the people. Now people realize they want freedom. School giving national education started. Hindi started getting any importance as compared to English. The movement that was limited to cities and town intellectuals now spread to the villages also. So this movement that important. Non-cooperation movement that will ask for 3 to 4 marks students in the section D. Now the most important topic I am going to explain you, that's Swarajya Party. This will ask in the exam as a short note for 3 marks. With the purpose of retaining the national awareness among the people, creating national awareness of the people, importance of the freedom in the people, Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru, both the person, formed the Swarajya Party. After the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement, who formed Swarajya Party? Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru. Their purpose was to enter the legislative assembly. I have already taught you that Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad opposed the unfair policies of the government. The leader of the Swarajya Party also adopted constructive activities of Gandhiji. The leader of Swarajya Party accepted the policies of the Gandhiji like untouchability, removal of untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity, revival of spinning mill and liquor prohibition. Swarajya Party contested the election of legislature that held in November 1923. Candidates of Swarajya Party were elected in the central legislature as well as in the provisional legislature and got the clear majority. Central legislature means that considered as the legislature that at the central level at the Delhi. It did not get the majority in Bengal, emerged as a strong party. Motilal Nehru was elected into the central legislature as a party leader. Chittaranjan Das was elected in the Bengal province. Swarajya Party disapproved the government budget. Whatever budget presented by the government, that disapproved by the Swarajya Party proposals and resented the unjust policy of the government. It compelled the government to consider the problem of the people. Compel means force the government to solve the problem of the people. Due to the working of the Swarajya Party only, government had appointed Simon Commission 2 years earlier. The Swarajya Party functioned in the well-disciplined manner. high parliamentary practices, just like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. It proved the British government that Indian can rule their country properly, democratically and constitutionally. The educated class of India was thus attracted to the Swarajya Party. National awareness re-emerges in the people. The party played a crucial role in bringing the achievements of the independence very near. Okay, this all indicates the importance of the party, but after the death of the Chittaranjan Das in the June 1925, the Swarajya Party became weak. Some members began supporting the government, means British government, and while others established new party like National Party. Thus, the prestige of Swarajya Party reduced. In 1926 election, all its members lost terribly except in Madras province. Bipin Chandra Pal, Surendranath Banerjee even criticized the party very strongly. So Swarajya Party established by Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru. And after the death of the Chittaranjan Das, the Swarajya Party became weak. So Swarajya Party will ask for 3 marks. Now question answers. Discuss the nature and effects of boycott agitation and the national movement. This is the big answer. Page number 23. The paragraph is given boycott indigenous movement, that you have to write it down. Okay. The next question is that growth and development of fierce revolutionaries movement. Growth and the development of the fierce national revolutionary movements, that will ask. Okay, that at page number 24, all the fierce revolutionary movements of the Jahal and Mawal till page number 25, that you have to write it down. Then next question is that they explain the programs, events of the non-cooperation movement. Students, just now I had explained to you, page number 28, non-cooperation movement, constructive aspect, negative aspect, programs for a non-cooperation movement, Chauri Chora and incidents of the withdrawal of the movement. All you have to write it down. For 4 marks it will ask, so you have to comprehend the answer. Revolutionary movements in the foreign countries, page number 26, the active revolutionary movements in the foreign countries. Then Rowlatt Act, that page number 27, Rowlatt Act 1919, you have to write it down. Jallianwala Bagh, page number 27, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, that whole paragraph you have to write it down. Swarajya Party, just now I had explained to you. Swarajya Party, just now I had explained to you, like that page number 929, that whole you have to write it down. Revolutionary movements in the foreign countries. So page number 26, revolutionary movements in the foreign countries, Rowlatt Act, students, clearly given on the page number 27, full you have to write it down. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, page number 27, and Swarajya Party, just now I had explained to you that on page number 29, the paragraph given to you, that you have to write it down. Who divided Bengal, when and why? So on the page number 23, in that the boycott and indigenous movement, in that third paragraph, that Viceroy Curzon divided the vast Bengal province, East and West Bengal, in the name of bringing about the administration efficiency. Second question, explain the fierce revolutionary movements in Gujarat. So page number that on page number 25, last paragraph, second last, fierce revolutionary movements in Gujarat, total 3 paragraphs that you have to write it down. Then why did Gandhiji call Rowlatt Act as a black law? That is given in the page number Rowlatt Act. This act was framed the purpose of suppressing revolutionary and nationalists. This act came to be known as Black Act because it was meant to suppress the individual freedom and freedom of speech. Now, why was the non-cooperation movement was suspended? Because page number 29, in that the Chauri Chora movement, people took a rally in the Chauri Chora village in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. The police opened fire on the people, but when they ran short of the bullets, people attacked the police station, in which they set on the fire the police station, in which 21 policemen that died. Okay, so Gandhiji suspended this movement and said, I have committed a Himalayan blunder by giving the tool of Satyagraha in the hands of the people who do not understand the value of non-violence, and he suspended the movement. Why did the prestige of Swarajya Party decline? When the death of the Chittaranjan Das in July 1925, the Swarajya Party became weak. Some members that supported British government and some established a new party, National Party. So, prestige of Swarajya Party that declined. Now MCQ. By what name is the day of partition of Bengal known as National Mourning Day? Which reform gave Muslim a communal electoral constituency? That answer is D. Morley Minto reforms. Who prepared the stage of the armed revolution in the Gujarat for the first time? Barindranath Ghosh. Who hosted the Indian national flag in the foreign land for the first time? Madan Lal Dhingra. So student, with this the chapter finished. This chapter will ask in the unit test. Once the chapter finish, you have to write it down the textual exercise in your notebook.